What's good, YouTube? Hey, it's your boy, Dino the Rapper. Ain't another after. I don't have an intro. We working on that. Believe that. This is my second channel, YD Nation. This way you gonna see all the gameplay, all the reactions, right here. My main channel, Dino the Rapper. That's where you gonna see them vlogs. That's where you gonna hear the music. That's where you gonna see me. We live on twitch.tv/Dino the Rapper _ Monopoly Packs. Idols number 2. We got Dominique Wilkins, Pink Diamond. We got Darren Williams. We got Diamond Giannis. Let's get it. We still on the curve grind. 15 days left. I'm at 11:37. 3 more. We're gonna knock it out and get them. Believe that. Oh Lord, he jumping. He jumping. Earthquake over there. Ooh. I like how the I like how the lights be. Woo. I like how the lights be moving and shit. Woo. Earthquake first pack in. You did. If I get this airhead coach one more time. Earthquake on the first pack in. Let me get Giannis. Let's get lit. Let's get hype. First pack in. Diamond. You know the vibes. We go like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Big dubs. Giannis out the first pack. You heard? You better act like you know. You better act like you know. You better act like you know I'm the GOAT around here. You heard? Giannis off the first pack. You better act like you know. Dino the Rapper. We live on Twitch right now. Dino the Rapper _ This is my second channel, YD Nation. My main channel on YouTube is Dino the Rapper. Hey, come be a part of this lit community. Please come be a part of this lit community. We lit like this blunt I'm about to twist. Giannis on the first pack. You see what it is. You see what it is. What are they talking about? What are they talking about? You see what it is. Nothing but lit content. Yeah. Nothing but lit content. Eric Gordon, okay. The link to the beat with, oh my goodness, 4th pack in, 420. Another earthquake over here. It's alright, it's an amethyst, but I ain't tripping. We got another earthquake in this thing. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Coops. It's the Coops. We gonna keep going. Kevin Porter Jr. Blackball. I don't want to be blackball. Pause. I don't want to get blackball. I don't want to. No. Steady shooter. That's a dub. Okay. We filling up, y'all. We filling up. We filling up. That's a dub, bro. Romeo, that's a dub. I ain't have him. Flip all cheese. Chris Saliva. Pause. Earthquake over there, boy. Look at that earthquake over there, boy. Be a diamond, please. Coops. Coops. Austin Rivers. Okay. Pink balls, pause. Pink balls, pause. Rudy Gay. Yes, sir. Neon red ball. Pause. Coaches. I already got them. Another Eric Gordon. Hey. Flip all cheese. I see that. I seen that just now. Another crate. We gonna take care of it after we gonna take care of it after the crate. We gonna take care of it. Ooh, I like that jersey. I likes that jersey. Another Coops. Oh wait, this ain't Coop. Okay, we got the realest weed. Jacob Evans the third. Flip all cheese. Justice Winslow. Okay. And that's gonna do it for the packs. These Idol 2s. We got some dubs. Y'all. We got some dubs. Drop me a follow on Twitch, please. Drop me a sub on YouTube. Come be a part of this lit community. I'm telling you, I be turned. I ain't got an outro. We working on that too. YouTube. Y'all gotta come rock with me. Like real talk, we be turned, man. We be lit. We be lit. Oh, mystery player. We be lit. Giannis. This is what we here for. Look at that. Ooh, that 3 is trash. Okay. We out.